Mmm, so good. This is good to drink with orange juice or coffee. This is called suman. This is very popular snacks in the Philippines. This is made out of sweet sticky rice with a can of coconut milk and a little salt to taste and a little bit ginger roots. And this is banana leaves. This is very, very good and very, very popular. You all try.